Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at US Steel X. Now, about a month ago, I sold a covered call and a cash covered put. You can see the strike prices here. The call was at 21 and a half and the put was at 21. Now, obviously, the call has not done well, but the price of the stock has done well. So therefore, looks like I'm going to make 100% profit on this cash covered put. So that's awesome. All right. But I'm going to lose a little bit of money here on the covered call, potentially. This is going to probably execute after the thing closes today. I will have to give up 500 shares of US Steel from my account, unless, of course, which isn't a big deal, because you can see I made a pretty good profit on this stock. So not a huge deal. But what could be even better is if I can roll this to the next expiration. So let's see if the premium is there to make that happen. So let's look at the next expiration, and that will be, let's go to the monthly, and the 2150 does not exist. So let's roll it up to the 22. So this is called a diagonal. All right, so we're rolling up and out. And rolling up and out, it looks like we're going to make a little bit of cash on this potentially. If I make $7, I'll be happy with that. Pay a 50-cent fee for the option on each side, so that's $1. So I'll still make $6. That's fine. But where the real money is to be made is rolling from 2150 to 22. So I will get $500 if the strike price continues to stay over $22, which it's hard to say if it will or not, because US Steel has been in a bit of a range. It's been fluctuating up and down. It just so happens it's near the top of the range. About 25 is the top of the range. Right now, you can see 23.44. So we're going to send this order. Hopefully it will execute. Let's view the order. And it did fill. So let's go look at that position now. All right, guys, here we go. We have a $22 call that's going to expire on the monthly expiration, July 21st. We sold 5 of those. We rolled them over. We made a little bit of money on it. Not a huge amount. $30 or whatever. That's okay. But the main thing is my stock will not be sold this month. Maybe next month, depending on where we're at. It could be in the bottom. That could expire worthless. Maybe I'll sell another cash cover put, but then that really puts me in a bad spot potentially. I don't know. We'll see. Because then it'll be upside down. Right? So the put will be higher than the call, and that'll be weird. Potentially. So I might hold off on that as well. But if you guys want to learn these options selling strategies to increase your return on investment, to make some cash flow on stock you already have laying around, subscribe to my channel, review my videos. I do this on multiple platforms, right? I do it on TradeStation, Tasty Trade, E-Trade, Thinkorswim. It's a good one. Each one has their advantages and disadvantages. I also have videos reviewing those if you want to look at those. But if you really want to dig in, join my channel. Pay that small monthly fee instead of the humongous fees that some people charge, $1,000, $500, whatever. Just pay like the $4 a month or whatever it is to join the channel, and you can be part of my private stock group, see my real-time trades, and how to handle your options and stocks. Or you can just wait for these videos to be posted, but they're not always real-time. They're not always same day. They could be a few days lagging. But anyway, if you guys want direct access, join at the appropriate level, and we'll get you part of the team. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. Good luck out there in the markets. Thanks for watching.